children. I thought today it'd be nice if we would have a go at playing a little sound game. So I've got the sound P or P on my board, and what we're going to do is have a look around our house and our garden and see if we can find lots of little objects, lots of different objects that begin with the sound P. And I've got some here that I've picked up earlier. I've got a peg, I've got a pen, a paintbrush and a pea pod. Now, once you've collected all your items, what I want you to do is to get yourself some paper and a pencil and see if you can work out how to write down these words. So, peg. What can you hear at the beginning? It is the p, p, p. So it's p. And then we've got e, and g. E, g, peg. Okay. Pen. How would we write pen? P, e, n, p, e, n, pen. If there's a longer word that you can't work out how to spell, you've got to try and use your phonics to help you. You can write down the sounds that you can actually hear. And I'd like to see all of these things on Twitter. So have a go. It doesn't have to be the letter P. You can choose a sound for the day. So it could be next day you do S. Have fun finding all the objects.